Hey guys, it's me, Deborah. I already lost count of how many days that MCO 2.0 passed. Pray hard, there's no MCO 3.0. So people, please stay home and don't Kasana Kasini anymore. Alright, a few weeks ago, I had unboxed the OPPO Reno5. If you haven't watched that clip, you may click the link that I put in the description box below. Today, I'm going to unbox the OPPO Reno5 Pro. So what are the differences between both of the devices, and is it worth buying this instead of the OPPO Reno5? So there are 5 upgrades on this device, which are the chipset, display, battery, RAM, and internal storage after I went through the test spec list. Let us look at the design. Can you see the difference? This for a dual curve 6.5-inch Super AMOLED display with a 90Hz of refresh rate. To compare with both devices, this Reno5 Pro look bezel-less, although both devices having the same body measurement. So watching videos on this device, you can't really realize there's a frame, the bezel. So for the color option, it remained the same galactic silver and starry black. On the other hand, it remained the same camera setup and resolution, which is 64MP main camera, 8MP ultra-wide angle camera, 2MP macro lens, 2MP mono lens, and 32MP selfie snapper. But these come with the AI color portrait monochrome video features, which you can find at the OPPO Reno4, and also the 960 frames per second smart slow motion. Cool, right? 960 frames per second smart slow motion. Try to imagine you can slow-mo all the funny scenes you took with this device. Speaking of the test spec, it's for a MediaTek Dimensity 1000 Plus chipset, 12GB of RAM, and 256GB of internal storage. So for the watching and gaming experience, it won't be lag as well. Please take note, there's no micro SD card slot, so this is one of the points you should consider. As for the battery, OPPO did upgrades from 4300mAh to 4350mAh battery capacity. Other than that, it still remains the same, which supports 65W Super Volt 2.05 charge technology. Personally, I think there's no difference for me because it also supports the same charging ward and upgrades 50mAh battery capacity. Another thing about this device is it didn't have the 3.5mm audio jack port, but it does come with the USB-C earphone in the box. If you wish to get the wireless earbud, you may check out the OPPO wireless earbud. The price range is from 159 ringgit to 599 ringgit. As for the details, you can check out at their official website. The price tag of this device is 2,599 ringgit, and there is 700 ringgit difference from the Reno5. Personally, I kinda like the dual curve viewing experience of this phone and the camera feature that I can't get from the Reno5, which is the AI color portrait. I think if you're not a heavy usage person or chasing for the dual curve viewing experience, you can just go for the Reno5 instead of this. If you are the one who does everything on a smartphone, you can just go for the Reno5 Pro. As I mentioned earlier, the chipset, RAM, and the internal storage are more than enough to support your usage. Otherwise, you can just save the 700 ringgit for the upcoming Chinese year. Alright, let us know what do you think about the OPPO Reno5 Pro, and don't forget to leave your comments below, hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'm Deborah. Goodbye!